for the 14-time champion, Rik Ratchet. I don't know what state he's a 14-time champion. I don't know what sport or business he's a 14-time champion. But he's here. That's Rik Ratchet. He's coming from North Carolina, I believe they said. Here he is. I guess he got something to say. Did he come in? He came in last week. I guess he's been fired by the Inferno Kid or something. He came in last week with the Inferno Kid. Now Inferno Kid comes in with Bobcat. In this business, that's how it goes. But here's Rik Ratchet. Let's see what he's got to say. 14-time champion. I wonder what dream he had that he was a 14-time champion. And let's see what he's got to say.
Upon arriving in Wildwood, I found out this place really isn't much of something special. I mean, let's face it, there's seagulls flying all over the place, trying to take your food out of your hand. And best of all, there's trash all over the place. As a matter of fact, most of the people that visit Wildwood are trash to begin with.
He's probably never been to Hawaii.
Well, I hope y'all have a great weekend. I mean, hey, maybe you can watch the seagulls come down and pick your eyes out. Who knows? We can only hope that happens. I just want to say one thing. Or turn on the damn light. I can't see anything.
Looks like the lighting crew is taunting Rik Ratchet.
The fact is that most of you people here are from Philadelphia and most of you are trash. And that's the only reason why you can afford to come to Wildwood. And the fact that you're probably all waiting for football season to come around the corner, ain't ya? Huh? Oh, I bet you are. Well, you know something? You Philadelphia fans are going to be awfully disappointed this season because the Eagles really suck. And another thing,
Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we have a Philadelphia Eagle entering the arena. What's all this about? Look at this. This is great. I love it. The Eagle's in the house.
who the hell's under there? Probably not me under there. Let me tell you something. Eagles are nothing, they'll never be nothing, and now, you'll be nothing but a loser. You better believe me, it's nothing but a loser this season. Hey, you know what? How many people here want to see me kick this guy's ass?
Yeah, he's real brave to a bird. Oh, we got action in the ring right now. Rik Ratchet versus an eagle. That's Swoop the Eagle, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if he's a high flyer or not. Crowd is settling down, waiting to hear the bell ring. Let's see if this match is actually going to take place tonight. Let's see. The Eagle looks pumped up, and it's a push. Swoop the Eagle just got pushed. Rik Ratchet, the self-proclaimed 14-time heavyweight champion. And another push. This will probably be his greatest challenge. Off the ropes. Let's see what he's doing. Blocks the punch. And a shot of his own. And Ratchet is in the corner. Looks like the Bird got the upper hand. Got a nice right. Irish Whip into the corner. What's this? A back body drop. And Ratchet is getting beat up. And with a clothesline, getting beat up by an eagle. Swoop the eagle with another clothesline. Ratchet is under the ropes. I think he needs to just go home and give up wrestling. Oh, almost fell. The Eagles, Swoop the Eagles looking good out there, folks. Ratchet is outside walking.
And you enjoy your football season, pal. Because you're going to need it.
He wants nothing of Swoop the Eagle, folks. He wants nothing to do with this man. Swoop the Eagle means business in that ring. And the crowd is going bananas for Swoop the Eagle. Get him out of the ring. Let's get our next match going.